Welcome to Golden Heart. Today I'll be presenting the skill measures and records the weight of an ambulatory patient. So what are the key points? You still have to close the curtain and the door. Second one, you want to make sure that the patient is ambulatory with a steady gait and is able to stand by the standing scale. You should have non-skid socks and non-skid shoes. And you want to make sure that it's safe. These two are locked. Alright, I'm gonna start. Here we go. Knock, wash, can I come in? CNA Mario, let me check your wristband. Mary Jones, Mrs. Jones. Alright, Mrs. Jones, I'm instructed by the nurse to get your vital signs, which is I'm gonna weigh you on a standing scale. Before I do that, I close the curtain and the door for your privacy. I lock these two for your safety, okay? And I want to make sure it's in your working level. I'm going to move this blanket, and I'm going to assist you to get up. 1, 2, 3, get up, and then how do you do that one? Very good. I see that you have your non-skid socks and non-skid shoes, and your foot is touching the floor. I can have you assist and walk right here. Stand right here. And before I instruct you to stand, let me just calibrate this by moving these two weights on the side, and then go ahead and step on the standing scale. And I'm gonna move the first one. You might be somewhere here at the 100 and 106. All right, I got you here. 106 pounds, and I'm gonna record it. Before I do that, I'm gonna assist you. Go ahead and step down in the standing scale. Walk to your bed, sit on it, you touch it, and then I'm gonna assist you to lay down. Lay down, cover you with your blanket, and then Mrs. Jones, we are done today. I just want to make sure that you're safe. Here's your call light. Your bed's locked, your rail is up here. Your bed is locked here, your bed in low position, your body aligned. I'll keep the curtain closed. Your side table is right there. And then I'm gonna go record the weight and report it. And I'm gonna disinfect the standing scale. Skills complete.